just got off of my shift, so we're trying to head up to West Palm Beach today, and we're doing pretty good. We're originally going to be stopping in Fort Lauderdale, but we had good winds and we're in the Gulf Stream, so we're able to get the nice current to keep us carried up there. So we're doing like record speed, we're like 8, 9 knots, and we're almost going 60 miles today, which is really good. So we're hooked again tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be able to spend the day in West Palm Beach. We have to go get the boat hauled tomorrow. We're taking Shadow in right now for his last walk, probably next couple days, a day or two, because we have a really strong blow with a lot of wind projected the next 24 hours or so. So we're gonna have to stay on the boat because taking a dinghy ride shore would be pretty much impossible in about 30 knot winds. All right, we're back on board. Wind is 14 knots, so we have about another 24 hours probably for this thing to pass over, so here we go. It's about 9 o'clock right now. We just have about 3 knots of wind coming through here, so hopefully the storm will die down soon. It's 3 a.m. right now. We just did another check. The wind's about 15 to 20 knots now, so it's died down a bit. But I just noticed you can't really see me too easily. So hopefully we're nearing the end of having this storm. On the good news, our anchor has been holding really well, which is good. Well, it's the next morning, and last night we had pretty high winds, but I think everything is okay now. We need to get to the boat yard right now to go get our boat pulled, so we have about an hour to get there, and we have to get this bridge that's about to open in about 5 minutes so we can get off the hook and head on out. We're getting over the dock at Cracker Boy right over here, so here we go. We're getting our first look at the rudder here. So this blue is where we think that the entire skeg flexed. Here's the bottom view of the rudder. You can see that it's actually cracked in half. Well, this repair is looking like it's about to take 2 weeks, so we decided we're gonna head home for that time. This boat yard is super dusty and just really not good for Shadow. Plus, the boat's super high up, so Shadow really can't get on the boat. So we decided just to we're gonna pack up. We got a rental car, so we're packing up right now. So we're gonna head home about a week and a half, get back down here. The rudder by then should be completely fabricated. So put that all together and get back onto the water. So yeah, it's kind of a bummer, but here we are. Well, we're finally home, so we're gonna be here probably next week or two. So yeah, that's the plan. So this is the end of the vlog. See you guys probably next week, but who knows. Bye.